What's up, YouTube? It's your girl kozy, and I'm back with another video. So today we doing something a little different. I'm doing not a low pony, but like a middle pony with like extra baby hairs. And this is actually my first video, well, my first hair video, excuse me. So y'all let me know if y'all like these, and I'll keep doing more. It's 2021, so I'm finna be, I'm really finna start taking my YouTube serious, y'all, like seriously. So as you can see right now, I'm just parting out my baby hairs, and like I want them to look really extra. Like I want some dramatic baby hair, so I'm pulling out a lot of hair and just parting across the whole forehead. Okay, so right now I'm just combing out my hair, making sure I don't got no kind of like naps or none of that. But y'all, look how long my hair is. Like my hair really came a long way. Well, before I did the video, I had trimmed my ends, but I really think it's the wigs that's really making my hair grow, because I've been wearing wigs like crazy. And yeah, it's so long. It looks so healthy and shiny. Today products, we're going to be using our wax stick. You can use any kind of wax stick, shine and gem or edge control, spritz, got to be spray, hair glues, some scissors, and your choice of hair that you like to use. This hair I got from like my beauty supply store. It was like $18, I think. It really don't matter what kind of hair y'all use, as long as it's long, it's gonna look cute. Okay, so we going around with that wax stick, getting rid of them flyaways, because y'all, my hair is so freaking soft. I don't really like using edge control on my hair no more, because it just turns it white, and my hair really soft, so it don't hold for anything. So I just use the shine and gem, and then I go in with like my spritz and got to be sprayed, just so it can like hold it. You know what I mean? It makes sense. I guess it makes sense. I don't know. Okay, so as y'all can see, I just took down the rubber band, and I just brushed in all the product. So now I'm just seeing where I want to place my ponytail at, and like trying to get it as high as possible. I really like my ponytails to sit like really high and to be like real tight, cause like they be heavy sometimes, and like the method I use to put the hair in, it kind of weighs my hair down. So yeah, the more rubber bands is the better for me, because I just like my hair tight. I don't know, not tight to the point to where, bitch, I can't like breathe or nothing, but tight enough to where it feels secure, you know. Okay, so now I'm about to braid down my real hair, and I'm gonna add in like a piece of braiding hair, just to make the braid a little bit longer, because I do want it a certain length. It don't have to be perfect, y'all. The braid, nobody gonna see the braid anyway. It could be skinny, thick, whatever. You're going to wrap it around, so nobody's going to be able to see what it looks like anyways. And yep, I sure am adding more rubber bands to my hair. What about it? I told y'all, like I said, I like my hair really tight. Period. 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 The fuck? So now I'm taking a piece of a wrapping strip. I don't even know what it's called. I forgot what these things called. Styling strips. They usually come in black, but I only have white. I would prefer for y'all to use black styling strips, because it's not as visible through the ponytail as much as a white one when you got black hair. Duh, Taylor. Anyways, well, we're just working with what we got. So, yeah. So now I'm about to do my edges. I really couldn't show y'all how to do my edges because y'all cannot see. So I have to literally sit in front of a mirror like close and just really look. But like y'all, all I'm doing is just swooping with the comb and holding the other part with my finger, if it makes sense. Now I'm just setting my hair with that got to be spray and that spritz so my edges can stay, and then I'm gonna wrap it with my headscarf while I let that sit. I'm going to start on my ponytail. Okay, so like this is a repeated process. Ooh, why do my girl? Okay, so this is a repeated process, and I basically just start at the very bottom of the braid and then take like one end of the hair, put glue on it, wrap it until I need more glue, add more glue, wrap it again and wrap it again, add more glue and wrap it again until I get to the top. And that's really much it, y'all. Like, it's really easy. It's all you doing is wrapping and gluing, wrapping and gluing, gluing and wrapping, wrapping and gluing, gluing and wrapping, wrapping and gluing. Ooh, y'all, I really need some damn contacts, some glasses, or something. Look how close I am to that mirror, bro. Like, my eyes is literally about to pop out. I'm so focused. I'm focused as hell. Okay, so when you finally get to the top, y'all, I was kind of lazy to wrap around the you know what I'm talking about. You know how they wrap around one piece of the hair around the whole ponytail? Y'all, I was too lazy. I was recording this video up until like 4 a.m. and I just put on a scrunchie around it and just was like, this is it, okay? She's giving, she's still serving, and yeah, she's still cute, period. At the end, I just cut the ends a little bit, make it look more, yeah, add some mousse. And she cute or whatever. Don't mind the white stuff, y'all, because it was still mousse in there that I didn't even put it all the way through my hair all the way, y'all. I was so tired. I was just trying to hurry up and get this video done. I didn't even do an outro, y'all. But yeah, that's pretty much basically it for this video. If y'all want to see me do more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share. Tell me what videos y'all want me to do. And stay tuned because I'm coming out with more bangers for 2021, period. And that's just that on that. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all again soon.